Hey Bestie, welcome to NaturalBestieHealth, your everyday friend for simple, natural ways to feel clear-headed, energized, and truly alive. If you've been walking around feeling like your brain is wrapped in cotton, struggling to find words, forgetting what you just read, or just not as sharp as you used to be, even after a full night's sleep, you're not alone. That constant foggy feeling, often called brain fog, is one of the most common complaints I hear, and it's frustrating because it makes everything harder: work, conversations, decisions, even enjoying your day. Today, we're going deep into the hidden reason your brain feels foggy all the time. We'll uncover the real, often overlooked root causes, the ones mainstream advice sometimes misses, and then walk through proven, natural ways to lift the fog so you can think clearly again. This isn't about quick fixes or ignoring symptoms. It's about understanding your body and giving it what it truly needs. Brain fog isn't a diagnosis, it's a symptom cluster: trouble concentrating, mental fatigue, forgetfulness, slow thinking, feeling cloudy or in a haze, losing your train of thought mid-sentence, difficulty multitasking, or just feeling mentally exhausted even after rest. It can be mild and occasional or constant and debilitating, impacting work, relationships, mood, and quality of life. The big question: what's the hidden reason? Science in recent years, including 2025 studies, points to a core driver that's often interconnected: chronic low-grade inflammation affecting the brain. This neural inflammation disrupts normal brain signaling, impairs blood flow, damages the blood-brain barrier, allowing toxins in, alters neurotransmitter balance, and slows cognitive processing. It's not dramatic, like a stroke or infection. It's subtle, persistent, and sneaky. And it's the common thread in most cases of ongoing brain fog. Why is inflammation the hidden culprit? Your brain is incredibly sensitive to immune activity. When the body is in a state of chronic inflammation, even low level, cytokines, inflammatory messengers, can cross or weaken the blood-brain barrier, trigger microglia, brain immune cells, to overreact, create oxidative stress, reduce oxygen and nutrient delivery, and interfere with synaptic function. This leads to that foggy, sluggish feeling. Studies from places like Yokohama City University, 2025, and Trinity College Dublin show measurable changes in brain receptors, like increased AMPA density and leaky barriers in people with persistent fog, especially in long COVID, chronic fatigue, and autoimmune conditions. But inflammation doesn't happen in isolation. It is hidden triggers, the real reasons your brain stays foggy. Let's uncover the top 10 hidden causes, backed by the latest research, and then move into a full natural plan to clear it. Hidden cause D1. Chronic low-grade inflammation from gut issues. The gut-brain axis. The gut is ground zero for 70–80% of your immune system. When the microbiome is imbalanced, dysbiosis, bad bacteria overgrow, the gut lining becomes permeable, leaky gut, and inflammatory molecules, LPS endotoxins, cytokines, enter the bloodstream and reach the brain. This causes neuroinflammation, disrupts serotonin, 90% made in the gut, and impairs neurotransmitter balance. Recent studies link gut dysbiosis directly to brain fog in long COVID, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS-ME, IBS, and autoimmune diseases. A 2025 cross-sectional study found poor gut health, low diversity, high inflammation strongly correlates with fog severity. Leaky gut allows toxins to trigger brain microglia overactivation. Signs: this is your hidden cause: bloating, irregular bowels, food sensitivities, fatigue after eating, history of antibiotics or infections. Hidden cause D2, poor sleep quality and quantity. Sleep is when your brain's glymphatic system washes toxins, consolidates memories, and restores cognitive function. Chronic poor sleep, even if you get hours, prevents deep restoration. Fragmented sleep from apnea, stress, blue light, spikes cortisol, inflammation, and amyloid buildup. Research shows even one night of bad sleep impairs attention and memory the next day. Chronic insomnia or sleep-disordered breathing causes persistent fog. A 2025 review tied poor sleep to neural inflammation and reduced prefrontal cortex activity. Signs: waking unrefreshed, snoring, daytime drowsiness, trouble staying asleep. Hidden cause: E3, nutrient deficiencies, especially B vitamins, iron, magnesium, vitamin D. The brain needs steady fuel. Deficiencies in B12, folate, B6, for neurotransmitter synthesis, iron, oxygen transport to brain, magnesium, 300+ reactions including nerve calming, and vitamin D, neuroprotection, inflammation control, cause fog. B12 deficiency is common in vegans, older adults, or gut issues. It leads to demyelination and cognitive slowdown. Low iron, even without anemia, starves brain oxygen. Magnesium deficiency, widespread due to soil depletion, causes anxiety, fatigue, poor focus. 2025 studies confirm correcting these clears fog in many cases. Signs: fatigue, mood dips, tingling, hair loss, restless legs. Hidden cause of 4, chronic stress and HPA axis dysregulation. Constant stress floods the brain with cortisol, which shrinks the hippocampus, memory center, reduces BDNF brain growth factor, and promotes inflammation. Over time, this creates wired but tired fog. Chronic stress also disrupts sleep, gut health, and blood sugar, compounding cycles. Signs: racing thoughts, overwhelm, burnout, irritability. Hidden cause in 5, blood sugar instability and insulin resistance. The brain uses glucose for fuel. Spikes and crashes from high-carb, sugary meals cause energy dips and fog. Insulin resistance, prediabetes, impairs brain glucose uptake, leading to type 3 diabetes, brain insulin resistance, and Alzheimer's. Hidden because you may not feel diabetic, just foggy after carbs. Signs: energy crashes, cravings, weight gain around middle. Hidden cause 6, hidden infections or post-viral effects. Long COVID, Epstein-Barr reactivation, Lyme, mold exposure. These cause persistent inflammation. 2025 research shows lingering viral reservoirs or leaky barriers in long COVID fog. Signs: history of infection, fatigue, joint pain. Hidden cause of 7, hormonal imbalances. Thyroid, estrogen, cortisol. Hypothyroidism slows metabolism and brain function. Menopause estrogen drop affects cognition. High cortisol from stress. Signs: weight changes, temperature sensitivity, mood swings. Hidden cause 8, toxin load, mold, heavy metals, chemicals, mold, mycotoxins, mercury, pesticides cross blood-brain barrier, cause oxidative stress and inflammation. Signs: worse in certain environments, headaches. Hidden cause 9, dehydration and poor electrolyte. Balanced brain is 75% water. Mild dehydration impairs cognition. Signs: dry mouth, dark urine. Hidden cause 110, sedentary lifestyle and poor circulation. Exercise boosts BDNF, blood flow, reduces inflammation. Inactivity worsens fog. Now, the natural plan to clear it, step by step. Step 1. Address gut health foundation. Eat fiber-rich, 30 gigs day, veggies, fruits, legumes, oats. Fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut. Prebiotics, garlic, onions, bananas. Probiotics if needed. Avoid sugar-processed foods. Heal leaky gut, bone broth, glutamine-rich foods. Step 2. Optimize sleep, 7 to 9 hours consistent schedule. No screens, 1 hour before bed. Dark, cool room, 20-20-20 rule daytime. Magnesium glycinate before bed. Step 3. Fix nutrient deficiencies. Test B12, D, iron, magnesium. Foods: leafy greens, eggs, fish, nuts. Sun 15 min daily. Supplements if low, doctor guided. Step 4. Manage stress, meditation 10 min day. nature walks. Breathing exercises. Limit caffeine after noon. Step 5. Balance blood, sugar, protein, fat, fiber meals. No skipping breakfast. Cinnamon, vinegar tricks. Step 6. Reduce inflammation. Omega-3s, fish, flax, turmeric, black pepper. Berries, daily. No smoking, limit alcohol. Step 7. Exercise and movement. 30-minute daily walk. Strength training, 2-3x week. Yoga for circulation. Step 8. Hydration and toxin reduction, 2-3 liters water. Air purifier if needed. Organic foods. Step 9. Track and adjust journal symptoms. Retest labs in 3 months. Step 10. Be patient and consistent. Fog lifts gradually. 4-12 weeks typical. You've got the tools, bestie. Start with one change today. Maybe gut-friendly breakfast or better sleep routine. Your clear mind is waiting. Which hidden cause resonates most? Comment below. Let's chat. Subscribe for more clarity tips. You're not foggy forever. See you soon.